Hey, fourth graders. I wish I would have had another day to prepare you for my absence, but the weather had totally different plans. I am currently at a conference with Dr. Gordon. For today and tomorrow, let's please stay in our assigned seats at all times. Miss Emberly, if you're back, please remember to do your screen job, and I hope you're feeling better. If Emberly is not here, then Jaylee, will you please take over her job for the day? Thanks, kiddo. Now, fourth grade, I want you to look up at our McClure Essentials. Abram, are you looking? Do you see the one above the door that says, when a substitute teacher is present, all class rules still apply? Please make sure you are doing your personal best to follow that. I know you can do it. I've already told your sub what an amazing class this is. Please don't let me down. Remember, you are well behaved, you are respectful, you are representing me. Make me proud. I love you all. See you on Monday.